Hi guys, thanks for dropping by. Today I'm going to be driving over the JBL TUNER 2. This is just one of a whole bunch of durability tests that I've done on this great little DAB radio Bluetooth speaker. I'll add links to the other durability test videos below the description that's below this video and also at the end of this video in the end screen, so be sure to check those out if you haven't already seen them. Now this is my faithful Ford Transit van, and under this bonnet is the engine, which means it's quite heavy at the front, and there's not much in the back of this van right now, so the front is heavier than the back. So you guessed it, I'll be driving over the TUNER 2 with the back wheel first and then the front, and I'll be doing it more than once just to make sure. So stay tuned because you don't want to miss it. Like I've been saying all along, this is one tough cookie. Let's have a look, check out the damage. If there is any, no damage at all really. Hardly surprising. Just the tyre print. Other than that, absolutely nothing, apart from that dent which came from the drop test. Okay, let's go again, and this time I'm going to let it sit on top just for a second or two. Okay, let's have a look and see if there's any damage at all. Well, it doesn't look like much at all, to be honest, other than the digs and dents underneath from this gravel car park. Now, you probably wanted me to drive over the hard plastic digital display cover. The problem I've got is I have another couple of tests I want to do on this, and that display cover will almost definitely crack if I drive over it, so I'm not going to do that here today, but I am going to drive over it again with the front wheel this time, and I'm going to leave the van sitting on top of the TUNER 2 for a few seconds before moving off to see if we can damage this really tough, hard and durable outer casing of JBL TUNER 2. Okay, let's go again. Let's just get rid of a few of these big jagged stones. Okay, now please bear with me here guys, this may not be the most exciting video right now for some of you, but this is a real durability test to see if it can handle the weight. And I'm leaving this van sitting on top of the TUNER 2 for a good few seconds, which actually turns out to be around 25 seconds in total, can you believe? Well, that really is impressive, don't you agree? Leave a comment below guys, tell me what your thoughts are on this. I'm amazed, to be totally honest, and in my amazement I completely forgot to turn the damn thing on to test it, but I can tell you it started up just fine, so no worries there at all. Now guys, if you want to check out the drop test I did on this speaker, then take a look at this video right here. If you want to see the extreme durability test also on this speaker, then check out this video right here.